day. Super excited that it's beach day. I haven't had a Saturday off in I don't know how long. Hold on, my son, he wants to come up in the video because he thinks we're talking to somebody. Are you excited for beach day, Josiah? Tell him how excited you are about beach day. Are you excited? He said, hey. Look, Danielle's really excited about beach day. This is her favorite day.
I'm so excited.
She has the ice, and she gets on me when I don't get excited. You heard? I'm so excited.
I'm in the zone. I'm in the...
She's in her zone. She's got her ice cubes. Look how fast she's going. She's packed our lunch. We're getting ourselves ready.
I used to live like I was under attack, dodging arrows from my past. I had no hope for tomorrow. Felt so much but now there's no looking
I don't know
back.
what's going on right now, but this joker is tripping. He's like,
I got my armor now, no fear, no doubt. Gonna shoot me.
Excited? Say, I'm excited. We're going to the beach. Are you so excited, Josiah? Josiah said, I'm excited. Are you excited, Daddy? He's so excited. Be okay.
Hey! What's going on tonight? I don't know the words to the song, but I'm not going to get back up again.
Oh, something goes a little wrong. Just go ahead and bring it on. He's happy. Aren't you happy?
So get back up again. Hey! He told me to.
Oh, look. Ralphie's cooler than a pack of peppermints. You got a peppermint? Yeah, you are.
Because of you, and now I'm bulletproof. Because of you, you love me away. Now I'm not afraid, no matter what the world may say or what they do. I am bulletproof. Because of you, I don't have to fear no more, worry no more. I don't have to fear no more, worry no more. I don't have to fear no more, worry no more. Don't have to fear no more, worry no more. Because of you, and now
Just a second ago, she was telling my brother not to climb on the couch. And she's like, go listening, brother. Go listening, brother. I don't know what, look at her. Just, go listening, brother.
I had some extra spit in my mouth.
Yeah, extra spit, just actual spit, actual saliva. Go listening, brother. So we're just enjoying our regular Sunday routine. We come from church and serving at our church, and then we partake in a wonderful feast and meal with our mother, and she cooks a heck of a baked ziti. So can I get an amen? Amen. My little son just chilling, watching his emoji movie. Emoji. Can you believe that they've made a movie for us millennials? Emoji. Yeah, right. Having different bases. Can you?
Ralphie, give him a hug. He wants a hug.
A popsicle right now. How does it make you feel, Josiah? Is that good? Hot. It's a cold popsicle, but he thinks it's hot. This kid here, he's hilarious. That's my son. Just like his daddy. Josiah, smile.
Tease.
I love you. Daddy loves you. So my glasses broke at the beach,
Break those babies' glasses.
and my son said that I can use his. So I'm using his glasses right now. How do I look, guys? That look good? Is my face big or is the glasses too small? Which one? I think my face is just a little big. This is what we do at Walmart.
Look at Josiah's face looking at you. He's like, what is going on?
Hi guys. I'm Panda Bear. I've always wanted to be a Panda Bear.
Why are you talking like that?
Because it's like caught in my mouth and I can barely talk. Hey, can you see me? Hey, Josiah! He loves it. He loves when I get... Just argue about milk.
My
Yeah, no, this... We just argued. So, well, you know what? We don't want to... We got WIC milk. We ain't gonna... I'm gonna freeze the WIC milk and I gotta buy more because I ain't trying to run out of my WIC milk.
He doesn't even go in the fridge. I'm the one that cooks. Why does he care?
Why are we filming on two
Get out of my
phones?
screen. 'Cause this is
I was all
about
up in her
my
space.
milk.
Josiah, what do you say? Smell it. You smell it. Mmm. It smells so good. He can't get enough of it. He's addicted to the smell. Yeah. Want to put it in the car?
Good job.
Good job. We just saved ourselves 10 cents on car insurance. Sampling candy at Walmart. Where they do that at?
That's how I don't need no candy. Look at him. He's eating my gum.
Sampling candy. Do you see these hips? Oh.
But once he tries those wraps, he won't.
It works.